Aster Lab AI is a brand new software that's making waves in the AI space, and if you're considering it, or just curious about what it has to offer, stick around. There are 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know before diving in. Trust me, this could be one of the most important decisions for your business or personal projects. First off, Aster Lab AI is built to optimize efficiency across a variety of industries, offering advanced automation tools, AI-powered insights, and highly customizable workflows. It's designed to help you do more with less, meaning you'll save time and resources while boosting productivity. What sets Aster Lab apart is its ease of use. Even if you're not a tech expert, the interface is intuitive enough to get started right away. No steep learning curve here. It's geared towards small business owners, marketers, and anyone who needs to integrate AI into their daily operations quickly and effectively. One of the most notable features of Aster Lab AI is its AI-driven analytics. It can analyze huge amounts of data to give you actionable insights in real time. Whether you're a marketer trying to improve campaign performance or a business owner aiming to optimize operations, Aster Lab can give you the data you need to make smarter decisions faster. Another standout is its ability to integrate seamlessly with other platforms. If you're using tools like Google Analytics, Shopify, or social media platforms, Aster Lab AI can plug right into your existing setup without much hassle. This is especially important for businesses that rely on multiple software solutions to get things done. Aster Lab takes all that data and brings it into one unified space for better decision making. Aster Lab also offers AI-powered customer support automation. With its chatbots and email automations, you can deliver fast responses to your customers without lifting a finger. This is perfect for businesses looking to scale their customer service without hiring an army of support agents. One feature I really like is its real-time collaboration tools. This allows teams to work together, share data, and take action without switching between different software applications. If you're managing a team, you'll appreciate how easy it is to collaborate and stay aligned on projects. Now, what about customization? Aster Lab AI lets you tailor the system to your specific needs, whether you're working in finance, marketing, or healthcare. The flexibility it offers is huge, meaning it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. You can adjust workflows and data inputs to fit exactly how your business operates. Finally, you can try Aster Lab AI completely free by clicking the link in the description below. That's right, no commitment, no hidden fees, just a chance to see if it fits your needs. To wrap things up, after testing thousands of AI solutions, I've put together a list of the best AI software options available right now. You can find my top recommendations, including Aster Lab AI, in the description. I've done the hard work of sorting through what works and what doesn't, so you don't have to. If you're serious about taking your business or projects to the next level, you can't miss out on Aster Lab AI.